So every time you literally doing something related to nature, the first thing you're going to say, this is a good deed. I'm going to get times 10. When I am in the masjid and I go and do wudu and I don't waste the water, that's not only an act of worship, it's an act of obedience, because the opposite, please pay attention. What I see in the bathrooms is beyond me when women are doing wudu. When I waste the water, I am disobeying Allah. I'm fasting. I'm getting ready to go to break my fast to pray Maghrib in the masjid. Anything better than that? And it's Ramadan. And here I am doing wudu, wasting the whole water. Why the water is on and I am washing my hand? Can't I just wash once, close it, wash second, close? How long it will be more? How many seconds longer? But you already obeyed Allah.